So MIP5 students, this is a video to show you what you should be working on in your PP lesson today. I'm signed in as a student, so I'm just going to go to IB Manager here and Personal Project. And what I would like you to try first is to build your academic honesty file here. This is something that you will submit to the IB with your report. And so basically when you click on this tab, you can record evidence of your meeting. So what I would like you to do is look back and see what you said with your supervisor in the meetings that you've had. You can title the meeting and put a date next to it. So just to show you, if you have forgotten, if you go into Files here and Personal Project and first semester key dates. So as you can see, I've filled in all the parts here, and this meeting note will come in here. And what I'll be able to do at the end is I'll be able to print this out. And my supervisor and I will sign this to show that we had these meetings. So the key thing about this is to look back at your meetings and what your supervisors, the advice they gave you, and how you've used that in your project. A really key point in the project is to show that you're able to communicate with your supervisor and that you take on advice and you apply that to your work. And so that's something I want you to focus on today. Once you've finished your academic honesty forms, you should work on process journals, especially process journals related to the exhibition and what you learned from that process. So one suggestion is to go into the File section and use the process journal template. Okay, and using this template, look back at what went well, what you've learned through the whole experience of having to present your work in front of an audience, and create your process journal on ManageBack. So more details on this are in the Files section under PP classes. Okay, it'll be lesson number 8. So those are some things that you can be working on today. If you have any questions, please come and find me. Thanks.